Estateguru pricing explained what you get for your money. Estateguru is a real estate crowdfunding platform that allows investors to fund property loans across Europe. Most people get this wrong by assuming real estate investing requires high capital, but Estateguru lets you start with as little as 50. The platform charges no account fees, and investors earn returns through interest paid by borrowers. There is a small service fee included in the loan terms, typically around 1%, which is deducted from interest payments. For example, if a loan pays 8% interest, 1% goes to Estateguru, leaving 7% for the investor. Premium services such as portfolio management tools and automated investment features may be available for additional fees, but the core platform remains low cost and accessible. In conclusion, Estateguru pricing is transparent and affordable. Low minimum investments and small service fees make it easy for anyone to access real estate opportunities, while optional features provide extra convenience for more active investors.